Good morning, everyone. Figured I'd start this morning showing you what me and Randy's been working with on our driveway. We put some new gravel down here on our driveway, and you don't see, it's been going pretty good. A lot of hot work right now. Show you guys what we did last night. Last thing I done last night was drive my truck over in the ditch. So we're gonna have to work on that this morning. But my name's Joey. This is Josie. We're gonna go feed some animals this morning, and then I'm gonna try get the tractor and see if we can't get the truck out of here. If I had the four-wheel drive working on it, I could probably get it out fairly easy, but the four-wheel drive don't work, so it's been a pain in the butt. And right now this tar is completely off the ground. So, but we're gonna go feed some animals, and we'll see what we can't do with this here a little later. Well, we're almost 90 this morning. Make it out or not. Already muggy feeling. Cool. Feed these pigs over here. Everybody's hollering at me this morning. See all sleep. Just talked to one of my neighbors over there. It's a fox got in her coop last night. Her Illinois neighbors. And got I think they had some ducks and turkeys. And the fox got their ducks and turkeys. Oh, okay. Oh, Bill. Coco, why are you over here? Why are you over here? Oh, Coco. Oh, Coco. Stay over there, then. Coco. Coco. And we just have 3 Cornish crops in there. They didn't need no water or anything this morning, so just having the 3's definitely lightened that load up. They'll be gone today if I can get my truck out fast enough. But the little goes back here, and then we have to go to that house. Okay. All right, let me see if I can distract them. Hey, 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 come. Come here. Come here. All right. All right. Come on. See if I can. Oh, okay. Now go to the next step. There you go. Whoa. Did you about tip over? Good job. Yeah. Good job.
Now chocolate's all by herself.
Yeah, chocolate's all by herself. Alright, let's go feed these other animals.
And over there, can I pick this one? There's one right there. I picked it. But the top one looks so different. The top looks so different.
That looks so different.
You see this top? It doesn't have.
There you go. Good one.
It's a good one. It's not dirty at all. You picked one for you.
Oh. Dropped it. Is it good? Uh-huh. You want this one?
You got them.
Yeah, I got the green stuff off and everything. Yum yum. I don't know if I've actually given an update on these rabbits, but Fancy over here, she had 7. She got 7 in there, and they're staying scattered out everywhere, but they're all doing fine. And the black girl here, she had 5. And they're still all back in the nest over there, and they seem to be doing fine, even though it's been super hot. But all the rabbits they're miserable. I mean, it's hot, but they're making it. It's just definitely not comfortable right now for anybody. But they're making it. Josie had a little snack there. Something I seen last night. I was going to actually show her. I'll show you something. Don't get too far in the grass. Wow. Big old squash.
How are we going to feed it?
Feed it to the pigs. Pigs will love it.
Oh, it's almost big as Gary.
It was almost as big as Gary.
How does the squash?
It's just kept growing. Let's go here. We'll cut it in half. That way there's a piece for both of them. There you go, Gary. Say, hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. I know she did. Hey, Bella. Hey. 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 Look what Josie brought you. Look what Josie brought you. Look what Josie brought you. What do you think? Good? Is it good? Think she likes it? Uh-huh. Think Gary likes his? Was it good, Gary? Oh, look at all the seeds. We'll probably have squash everywhere next year. Is it good, Gary? See, the corn has actually bounced back. It's doing real good. Something keeps eating the beans now. Kind of weird. I wouldn't think the deer would get in there and eat just the beans and not eat the corn, but something's eating just the beans and keeping them eating down. The corn's tasseled out and
what's that up
doing
there?
good. That's the seeds that'll help make the corn grow.
How don't grow so tall now?
Oh, big and tall, ain't they? Taller than me. All 5 hens are still. Come here, that rooster's been acting a little froggy, so they're all. Everything's left them alone. Getting about 4 days of egg, pretty regular. So
why we took out the big spot?
we just to give them more light over here on this side. But these hens are doing good. Like I said, we still have the other hen up there, plus all the little chicks. But these laying hens, they're managing.
Where doing?
Gonna graduate some of these out to that chicken tractor whenever those are gone. Some of these are getting pretty good size.
Some of them are getting bigger.
Yeah, they're getting bigger.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
It's getting.
Taking this chicken. Let's see if it's one. He was. We had it blocked off. Well, as y'all can see, we got the truck back out. Thanks to my neighbor Randy. So, I tried. I don't like asking for help. I tried coming along it out, and just anything I could come along to is actually picking the back end up off the ground. I was having awful trouble, but I did. I wound up. I had to get help. Sometimes you just gotta have help, I guess. But thanks to Randy, we did get the truck out. No damage or anything to the truck. We got her out of there. But we're gonna wrap it up for today. It's after lunch now, and it's super hot and muggy. There is a little bit of a breeze today. We're up. You guys can see there, right there, about 98 looks like. So definitely hot. But we'll wrap it up for this video. Just got some chickens. I'm gonna finish up processing those chickens today and get those done. And I have a video did. Those videos didn't do best in the world. Actually, one of them got restricted. So I didn't video any of that stuff, and then it's been so much back and forth because I'm having to go to the camper. I'm going outside and going back to the camper and then going outside, and I didn't video any of the processing of the chickens, and I can't keep my phone out. This morning, a couple times it got super hot on me this morning. I mean, so hot I couldn't even put it back in my pocket. But hope y'all enjoy this video, and appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh, it's in a shadow. Can't hardly see you. You Allison a wink. All right. Oh, there you go.